Hey everybody. All right, so hope you have your pencil, pen, marker, your paper or whiteboard, whatever you're going to write on, because we're going to play another round of quick images. Now, with this quick image game, you're going to have to make a copy of the two images you see on the screen. Okay, so when I pop it up, you're going to draw the two cards, and then you're going to try and write an equation, and then tell me the total number of dots. It sounds like a lot, but we're going to be proactive, and we're going to draw our cards already. Okay, my two cards. And you know what? Down here, I'm going to put a plus sign and an equals sign, because I know I'm getting ready to write an equation. Okay, so I'm going to be proactive so I can just plug in my numbers. All right, you ready? Set. All right, so try and draw the dots on the card. If you didn't know exactly where they were, or you just know how many dots there were total, write the numbers down in your equation and then solve. I'm going to pull it up again, okay? So eyes on the screen. You ready? All right, that's a hard one. All right, let's see if you guys did it. You ready? So we've got 3 dots on the first card and 4 dots on the second card. So what should my equation be? 3 plus 4 equals 7. Okay, did we get that? It's a little hard. You ready for the next one? Erase your dots. Erase your numbers. Okay, now if this is a little bit too hard, just do the cards, and then in your head figure out how many there are total. If the equation is a little bit too difficult, that's okay. You ready for the next one? Alrighty, 1, 2, 3. Ready? To me, that image was a little bit easier to remember than the other one. Do you think you got the dots and the numbers correct? Let's try it again. Here it is. All right, turn over your paper and let me see. It's the same number. Let's double check. We've got 3 dots, 3 dots, 4 dots, so 3 plus 4 equals what? 7. Good job. All right, so there was our quick image activity. Now remember, you've got cards in your math packet. Play this at home, okay? This is a really fun game. So play this at home, cut these out, keep them in a baggie, okay? Don't turn these in on Friday and Monday with your folder, okay? Keep these at home, because you never know. This could turn into a fun little sibling game night, okay? Or cousin game night, or family game night. So keep these at home, okay? Keep practicing these dot images. Good job.